So this is RC Era, guys. RC Era UH1. Ano model to? C032. The Huey model. Ano siya? Parang dust off light lang siya ngayon. Because last weeks, months, I've been into airplane. So this time RC helicopter naman. Although dust off lang ito, and I'm unsure if this is charge or not. I'm not sure. I'm not sure if the battery are fully charged. So makikita ko yun ngayon. I'm gonna find out today. Here's the battery. I think this is 7.4 volts, 350 mAh. Try. And there's a push button here, switch. Not sure kung ano siya, kung fully charged. Tingnan natin. I'm gonna find out. Up, down. Yan. It's just the dust of light. Hindi ako dito ako sa ano, sa maluwang. Yan. Matagal na ito naka-stock, guys. It's been stuck for a while. Wow. I think the battery are charged, but it's been stuck for months. Ikot lang. Eyo, papadara ni sa ano, sa Iran. Papadara sa Iran. It's too twitchy. Actually, I'm flying in a second rate, but seems like it's very twitchy. It's already fast in a second rate. I'm gonna switch to first rate. Yeah, a bit slower and more easy to fly, not that twitchy. Yan, easy flight lang. I think much better. Kasi napaka ano naman ngayon eh. Today is very calm day, so I think first level of flight mode is enough. Oh, very nice. Classic RC helicopter, guys. Oh, don't go far. There's only some delay reaction from the aircraft. It's fine because it's calm day. Nice, it's charged. It's fully charged. Nice. All the while I thought ano siya, I wasn't able to charge the battery because it's already stuck na naman for months. Very nice, I loved it. Nice. Come on. Don't let me confuse. There's a wire. It's a live wire actually. It can fly inverted in an inverted mode actually, but I no longer fly in a inverted mode because parang may effect siya sa ano niya, sa flight controller niya. Okay, today's a very good day, very calm. Napakakalmado. Okay. Bringing her down for a landing. Okay. Ay, sakto. Very timely.